Hi, everybody. This is Advocate Lucinda, your empowerment lawyer. We're going to continue with step 2 of the process for filing an employment discrimination lawsuit, the complaint. Let's get started. There are 5 parts to the complaint: the parties, the jurisdiction, the statement of the claim, the administrative remedies that must be exhausted through EEOC, the certification, and of course, the civil cover sheet must accompany the complaint when it's filed. The district in which the lawsuit is filed is going to depend on the occurrences of the discrimination activity where the defendant lives. You must also state the division, and you can easily obtain that once you identify the district. The case number will be provided to you by the court once you file the complaint. And be sure to check whether you want a jury trial or not. The plaintiff's name, or the person who is suing, must place their name here. The defendant, the person who is being sued, or the company that is being sued, place that information there. The parties. The plaintiff's information goes here: the name, the address, and the other information that is being asked. You want to provide the same information for the defendant. Here you see multiple lines in the event there is more than one defendant. The place of employment. That is where the plaintiff worked and where the plaintiff contends the discrimination took place. You need to provide the information. Jurisdiction. Again, that is going to depend on what are you contending. You're contending that you were discriminated against based on your race, religion, on age. In other words, you want to check each box that is applicable under jurisdiction. Statement of the claim. This is critical. You want to first check each box that is applicable to you. But I want to look closely at writing out your claim. That's critical. Because when you write out your claim, you want to be certain to let the court know what law is being violated here. And you want to give the court the facts that support your contention that this particular law or laws were violated. This will help the court to follow the logic of your case. Now remember, if you cannot identify a law that has been violated, then you probably don't have a case. But be specific and be succinct with material facts. Exhausting your EEOC remedies. Remember, I said once the right to sue letter is issued, you have 90 days to file the complaint in federal court. Be sure to attach the right to sue letter with your complaint, as well as the EEOC charge and those results that you filed with EEOC prior to filing that lawsuit. Let the court know what you're asking, your relief. Here, you sign the complaint. You're asserting that the information that I provided in the complaint is accurate and true to the best of my ability. And at the bottom here, you see where you can print the complaint. You can even save it and add attachments. I've given you the site where you can actually download this complaint. And here you have the civil cover sheet. It needs to be completed in its entirety. And this particular document is accompanied with the civil cover sheet. It gives you more information about it. Okay? All right. I wish you well, and we'll see you next time.